Hello everyone and welcome to the official VORÈAS YouTube channel. Today we are going to be having a quick tutorial of how to change a car battery, a typical car battery on a car, which this is going to save you a lot of money. Instead of towing your car when it has a battery problem, you can change it by yourself. Let's start. First things first, make sure that the car is in neutral, the handbrake is on, and remove the keys for the ignition. On this particular car, you will need a flat screwdriver to remove this piece, also this piece here, and a number 10 wrench for removing the bolts from here and here. Without any further ado, let's remove this battery, guys. Exactly this position. In this particular car, there is a stopper that holds the battery. The first thing we have to do is remove this stopper here. We take the freewheel, our freewheel with the number 13. We start removing the bolt. Next, you remove the positive bracket and the negative bracket. And the battery is off. Now let's install the new battery that's exactly identical as the one we removed. You follow the same procedure. Continue by first attaching the negative pole, negative bracket. Check that everything is okay, both the positive and the negative. So we want to install some new ones for the customer. Okay, I will drop the link in the description below so you can buy these things. And there you have it. So guys, another video is done. It was a quick tutorial of how to change the battery on your car. If you find value in our comment, make sure to like and subscribe, and I would really appreciate it if you drop some comments below on how we can make this experience a little bit joyful for you guys. Thanks for watching.